This is a spectacular facility for our kids, our students to be involved in our fabulous fine arts music program, the lockers up and down the hallway. This is just a great facility. I'm thrilled to death to have this for our middle school students.
What an amazing facility here, and an incredible show of support by our district and our patrons for the arts and the music here at the 6th and 7th grade building, but also just district-wide. It's just incredible to see this facility, and it looks so small from the outside, but just to have so much space inside with adequate lockers and storage and offices and practice rooms and actual classroom space is just incredible to be able to see it come to fruition after years of planning and trying to build the program. It's great to see it happen.